Good morning. Text of the day. Fourier transform x of j omega of s signal x of t equal to t divided by 1 plus t square whole square is. Options are pi by 2j omega e power minus omega, pi by 2 omega e power minus omega, pi by 2j e power minus omega, pi by 2 e power minus omega. The correct pi by 2j omega e power minus omega. Let's see explain. Now consider x of t equal to e power minus e power minus t. By taking Fourier transform, the e power t will become 2 divided by 1 plus omega square. That means we have to apply the differentiation in frequency. That means t into x of t equal to j d dou divided by d omega x of omega. Now take substitute the value of x of t and x of omega. T into e power minus t equal to j into d by d omega divided by 2 divided by 1 plus omega square. Now take differentiation in right hand side. That differentiated value become 0 minus 2 into 2 omega divided by 1 plus omega square whole square. After simplification, we get minus 4j omega divided by 1 plus omega square whole square. Now we have to apply the duality property. Duality property means we have to substitute the x of t into 2 by x of t, that equal to minus 4jt divided by 1 plus t square whole square. We have to take Fourier transform. We will get 2 by minus omega e power minus of minus omega. After simplification, we get t divided by 1 plus t square whole square is equal to minus 2 by omega e power minus omega divided by 4j. We have to simplify further. We get 2 and 4 will be cancelled, and pi by 2j omega e power minus omega will be our final answer. So the correct option is option A, pi divided by 2j omega e power minus omega. Thank you.